Hello and welcome to a new video. Today a quick test of how well Genshin Impact runs on the UMIDIGI A11 Pro Max. Okay, it's off to a good start. A nice start screen animation. Away with the login screen. I don't want to register. I just want to have a quick look at the game. And now? Is anything else happening here? Do I really have to register? Sorry, that's not happening. I'm not going to willingly throw my data down the throat of the shinies. Especially not for a game that I won't even look at with my ass after the running test. My advice to you: if you don't have to pay for the product, in the end you are the product, or you will be ripped off down to your pants. Say no to pay to win. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Let's start the show. It's all things Thai. Here we go. All the sights and all the food that you're looking for. Street food, candy, hidden gems, and so much more. Comment, like, and subscribe.